So welcome to my channel, and today we are going to get Christmas decorations. We have some already in there. We're gonna add on to that. Let's see how good the decorations are.
Christmas time. Christmas time.
This really looks good. I really want this.
This one? Or do you want Santa? Or do you want a Christmas tree?
No, not this one.
I vote snowman.
Cruz.
What are you doing?
Octopus.
I'm fine.
You want that?
Wow, I like this one. I like this one, Mommy. Mommy, I like this one.
I like snowflake. Why did I get this unicorn?
I like this one. Mom, I like rollers. Like this. Yeah, I like a Play-Doh.
Put it back.
I got him. I like red and gold. I'm gonna start this one, right? Ooh, but red stuff. Ooh, what else is
I got a spiky slime, Mom.
Do you want to get a red one? This one?
No.
You don't even need a star. Oh, I mean, you don't need a star when you have a snowman. It's called a tree topper.
It's so big, Mom. Dum 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 dum. Doom. Blah 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 blah.
You're the first two up here. Okay. Because one's gonna go on through these rooms, Bruce Kelly. Then one's gonna be Enzo Kelly.
I got a skate. Hey! Hey! Hi!
We're allergic to nuts, Cruzy. Why are you getting the nutcracker?
Let me see it.
He's not walking.
He's got a magical elf. He's a magical. They didn't bring us candy. They didn't bring us money. Remember, the elves have to do it every day when we wake up. The elves.
Don't touch everything. Don't touch. Don't touch.
We already got so much red. Why don't we do gold? Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, we did.
We done. We done.
We did. We're together.
That was a good hiding spot.
They dug all the way to the bottom.
Cruz, where are you?